How to review fantasy games Pixel selected on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review fantasy games Pixel selected on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines and click settings and privacy and then select settings, and now click this one, activity log, and then just go down until you find this one, look at actions and other activity, and then just go down here. You will find this one, fantasy games, uh, fantasy games Pixel selected. Just click on it and you can view it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.